Hi everyone, welcome back to Geek Yorker. I am Utpal Raj and in this video I will show you how to fix Siri notification not working on iPhone. So if Siri notification are not showing up, it can be due to notification settings or suggestion settings being disabled. So to fix this, first open Settings app on your iPhone. Now on the settings page, scroll down and click on Siri option. Then on the Siri settings page, under suggestions, make sure all the suggestions is enabled. And if Siri is not showing notification related to few particular app, then go into app sections, click on that app particularly and make sure under suggestions, all three toggles are enabled. After that, also check that Do Not Disturb mode is disabled. So after applying these settings, Siri notifications should start working properly. If this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to Geek Yorker. Thanks for watching.